Hello everyone. The topic in the previous class we have discussed about what is a compressor, what are the different types of compressors, and what is the single stage compressor, what are the working principle and advantages, disadvantages and applications of single stage compressor. In this class we are going to see about what is a two stage or double stage compressor. First we will start about what is compressor. Just a quick review. In this, we have seen that compression is the first step in the refrigeration cycle, and a compressor is a piece of equipment that increases the pressure of a working gas. It is also known as the heart of refrigeration cycle. In this, the compressor works as a low pressure, low temperature gas, and it leaves the refrigerant enters the compressor as low pressure, low temperature gas, and leaves the compressor as high pressure, high temperature gas. These are the types which I have seen, in which the air compressors are divided into positive displacement and dynamic type, and the positive displacement is again further divided into reciprocating type, rotary type, and then in reciprocating type it is further divided as piston type, labyrinth type, and diaphragm type. In rotary air compressors, it's divided into a lobe or a roots type, liquid water ring type, sliding vane type, monoscrew and twin screw types. In dynamic air compressors, it is divided as centrifugal air compressor and axial flow air compressor and ejector air compressors. In this, we have seen that the air compressors are classified according to the method of energy transfer and pressure generation, that is, which is divided as positive displacement and dynamic compressors. In positive displacement, the compressors work on the principle of increasing pressure of air by reducing the volume of air in an enclosed chamber. In dynamic compressors, it works on the principle that on imparting the energy by rotating vanes of impeller on air flowing through the casing that increases the pressure in air. We have seen what are reciprocating air compressors. Principle for single stage and double stage are same, in which the working principle is that to draw gas through an inlet, then move the gas through a cavity or chamber, then decreases its size. This compressed gas is then leaves the chamber with higher pressure. This is the principle for both single stage and double stage compressor. We have seen in previous class about single stage compressors, its working, advantages and disadvantages of single stage compressors, and applications of single stage air compressor. Now we are going to see about double stage reciprocating air compressors. It consists of two cylinders, low pressure cylinder and a high pressure cylinder. Double acting compressors in which suction, compression and delivery of air or gas takes place on both sides of piston. The components in double stage reciprocating air compressors are piston, crankcase, piston rod, crankshaft, oil, fins, etc. This is the cross-sectional view of double-stage reciprocating air compressor. They are saying the working principle that the fresh air is drawn inside the LP, that is lower part of the cylinder, through inlet section filter. This air is compressed by piston. As the piston moves towards the end of cylinder, the air compression takes place. The high pressure air from HP, the higher region cylinder, is then delivered to receiver through discharge valves. In this compressor, the pressure of air is delivered is up to 13 bar. As you can see in this cross-sectional view of double-stage reciprocating air compressor, it consists of two cylinders. It consists of one crankshaft and two cylinders. On the right side, you can see is the first stage cylinder, that is lower side. On the left side, you can see the second stage cylinder, which is the higher side. In this, it consists of two piston but one crankshaft, that is the inlet air, it passes through the left side of that is first stage cylinder, and the piston is compressed and passes through the crankcase, and then the air is compressed and through the second stage cylinder the air is expelled. This is what they are saying. What they are saying is that the inlet air passes through the first stage of the cylinder, and then inlet air passes through the first stage, and then it gets pressurized, and then it passes through the second stage of the cylinder, and from compressor it passes to the condenser. This is what they are saying in second stage compressor. Advantages of second stage compressor, I mean two stage compressors. High pressure ratios. In two stage compressors, it achieves high pressure ratios than single stage ones, making them suitable for applications requiring high discharge pressures. It has improved efficiency where the compression occurs in two stages, resulting in improved efficiency compared to a single stage system. Less heat buildup. With intercooling between stages, heat buildup is reduced, enhancing the compressor's performance and longevity. Wider range of applications. Two stage compressors are versatile and it can handle a broader range of applications. Disadvantages: there are four disadvantages. One is complexity, higher initial costs, space requirement, and energy consumption. As for complexity, we can say that two-stage systems are more intricate due to intercooling and additional components requiring more maintenance. Higher initial costs. The added components contribute to higher initial costs compared to the single stage compressors. Space requirement. Two stage systems may need more space due to additional components and intercoolers. Energy consumption. While more efficient, two stage compressors may consume slightly more energy compared to single stage compressors, which impacts in operating costs. Hence, these are the advantages and disadvantages of two stage air compressors. Here in this we can see the what is a compressor, what are the different types, what are the different types of reciprocating air compressors, the working principle, the advantages and disadvantages of two stage air compressors. Thank you.